Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can send voice messages in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Signal app on your phone. Then go ahead and select the chat you want to send the voice message to. And you can see as soon as you go there, you can go ahead and go give the message if you want. And you can see that there is something besides the camera, which is the microphone. Go ahead and tap on it and click on continue to allow access to your microphone for Signal. And you can see while using this app is done. Go ahead and tap on it, tap it once, and you can see that you should tap and hold to record a voice message and release to send it. So if you want to keep sending it, just go ahead and hold it and lock the voice message. As you can see, without touching it, the voice message is being recorded. If you want to stop it, just go ahead and tap on it, and you can see the send button. As soon as you click on send, it will be sent. So you can click on the voice message, and until you want to send it, you can just go ahead and just hold it, or else you can click on this and you can just see that it is being recorded. If you want to cancel the send, just go ahead and tap on cancelled and it will be released. So it's quite easy. You can do this, or you can swipe up and lock this, and you can go ahead and send the message if you want by clicking on this send icon. So you can see that this voice message can be played and it can be saved by others as well. So guys, I hope this video about how you can send voice messages in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.